everybody, welcome to my channel. So I went to Michael's this morning. I knew that they were coming out. They usually sometimes come out Monday, they sometimes comes out Tuesday, or they get them ready on Monday. I don't know. So I called my store and I says, hey, do you have any? I called them at 8:30 this morning. That was a half an hour after they opened, and they said, yeah, there was a ton of ladies lined up. He says, right now I'm counting about 20 boxes. I said, okay, thanks. So I got dressed, came here. I got here in about probably 40 minutes later, and there was 5 boxes left. When I left, or when I went to the checkout, because I kind of just walked around, there was 2 boxes left. So, I ended up getting 2 different kinds. I got 2 boxes, which is totally fine. One was a little bit heavier, and one was really light. The rest of them that were still left were all light ones. And so when I shook it, it felt like there was like, floral stuff in it. So I'm like, you know what, that's fine. I'm just gonna get 2 of them. So if you guys are not sure what grab bags are, or grab boxes or whatever, they sometimes are in bags, they're sometimes in boxes, but just recently they changed the price to $5. Some stores participate in this, some stores don't. Everybody is different, and there's a person parking right next to me. But every store is different, so what you want to do is get them when you can. I would call first so you guys don't have to make an extra trip. But I make sure I have scissors in my cars now, because in case I need to cut out coupons or something, I have scissors. So, okay, I see floral stuff right off the bat. So anything floral I pretty much will sell at my garage sale. So I'm just going to just dig in and see what I got. So I got a ton of floral stuff. Nothing really is my style, so I'll pretty much like sell these online. A lot of these are like $1.99. I'm not a floral person at all, which is totally fine. I got something of a grass. This was $19.99. Oh, cool. I was actually looking at this. Oh, they had some on the shelf still. It's an inflatable easel. I thought that was kind of cool. Like Ben, my son, can play outside and color. It looks like you can paint on it or whatever, but this was $29.99. I was looking at this. Thought that was kind of cool. What else do we got? I got some more floral accents. I could always make stuff with these. Like these I could make stuff with wreaths and everything, so that's kind of cool. These were originally $3.99. Tons of floral. Tons of floral. Lots and lots and lots and lots of floral, so I'm happy I only got like 2 boxes. So I'll pretty much sell all these on like on Facebook, like $5 for everything. So yeah, I got 2 little buckets, which these are actually perfect. I can put like names on them, or we can use them. These were originally $3.99, so I got 2 blue buckets. That's actually really cool. Let's see what else we got. I got a thing of sand. Wow, I've always wanted sand. Like, who pays for sand when you can go to the zoo, or go to the beach and just get some sand and then just kind of wash it out? But this was originally $7.99. It says it was greenhouse, but it's like fine sand. Yeah, something I've always wanted. Here is a book with sharks on it. It's like a little notebook, which is kind of cute. This was $4.99. It's just a journal, so that's cool. My son can actually use that. I got a glass cup. Lat? I don't even know what this is. L-A-I-T, but it could be like, you know, something to pour. This is actually could be useful for something. So we got that. I got one of these wooden things. Now I got one of these wooden things in my last box for graduation. I got a bunch of sailboats. So here is some surfboards. So either Ben can play with it, or I'll probably sell it for like $1 or so. Here I got more floral stuff. I got these. It looks like I got a succulent. Not a big fan of the pot, but this was $14.99, so yes. Last year I got some really good stuff. Like we got bubbles, we got Nerf guns, we got so much good stuff. This year it's not the greatest. I have some moss. So moss. Okay. Now here, this looks like a little paper tray. So it looks like there's 2 little trays in here of paper. So this could be something you could decorate, or if you have something that you want to use for it, you can go for it. I got the letter O, you guys. Oh, yes. This is $24.99. I don't know what I could do with the letter O. I have to find someone who has the last name O, maybe. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, and these are kind of cool. I got, it looks like they're clipboards with papers inside. I got a princess one and I got a summery one. So these are good for my kids. Like, these would be perfect to have when we go on a road trip when my kids are when my daughter's a little bit older. Like, it has a sticker sheet and a notepad. Like, these would be perfect for road trip activities. So that is perfect. So that was one box. I mean, for $5 for everything that I got, I mean, I think I got okay stuff. I'm not a big fan of all the greenery and the flowers, which is totally fine with me. I can actually resell that stuff. So, but the flowers, I can actually use these to make some wreaths, which is a perfect thing. I like this easel that I got. The sand is just, who pays for sand? I like the buckets, and I got this like glass thing, and then this. So that is one box that I got. Now that was the heaviest one. That was the only heaviest one that they had. The rest of them were light, and I lost my scissors. The rest of them were light, and I kind of shook it, and all I heard was floral. So I have a feeling this is all floral stuff. So we will see what's going on. Yeah, I see floral stuff right off the bat. So definitely give your stores a call. I've seen some people who have better hauls than this. Every store is different. Every store is different. There is another Michael's store that I want to go to. Okay, I'm not even going to pull this out, you guys, because the whole entire thing is flowers. I'm not disappointed, I'm not, but it's all flowers. Completely full of flowers. So, totally fine. When I have a garage sale, in the next couple weeks, I'm probably just gonna sell all this. So we will see, but you know, $5 for it. I could probably sell this whole box for $5 and get my money right back. So that's what I plan on doing. So yeah, that was my Michael's mystery box. There was another Michael's store that I could go to, but I don't want to drive a half an hour out of my way just to go to Michael's. But I hope you guys enjoyed my haul. Hopefully you guys can score a whole lot better stuff than I did. But you know what? I'm not disappointed. I'm not sad. I don't like floral, but you know what? That's just me, and everybody else does like floral. So just put my scissors back. But anyways, give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.